All right, here we go. Next one. I really do like these tins. These tins are pretty cool how they do these things. Right off the rip, second card's a rookie. Cole Young rookie. Brady House rookie card. Roman Anthony rookie card. Alex Freeland rookie. Another rookie card. It's pretty cool. Future Stars. Now it's got the rainbow on it. It's got Otani on it. Ellie De La Cruz. He's always hot. All right, here we go. That's cool. It's got like the leaves in the background on those. Gonzalez rookie card. Well, there it is. This is why we don't gamble, guys.
Buddy, I think that's part of the AAA Cuban team.
It's MLB, dude.
Oh,
This is the major league.
Never heard of any of these guys.
This is not like the Indianapolis Indians.
But you're right. That is way cooler than the cards.
That's cool.
Not bad for AAA. I don't think there's any winners in there.
Nope. We'll all be here because we didn't secure our retirement.
That's true.